Hi, my name is Carlos. I'm over here at Visalia Hyundai. I want to introduce you to our 2019 Elantra, newly redesigned. If you come over here, I want to show you a couple things. On your mirror, you have your blind spot detection system. So you see those two little cars, you're able to have your blind spot on that side. So if someone comes on your side right here, you're able to see that in your mirror. We come inside right here. You have a couple safety features, again your blind spot. You also have your lane keep assist, so it helps you stay in your lanes. On your steering wheel you have your hands-free calling, cruise control, and then you also have your 7-inch display that has your backup camera and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Not a lot of brands offer their Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on their entry-level vehicles. Up top we have our tilt and slide sunroof. And a cool part I like about the Elantra, which is really different from the 18 Elantra, is the trunk. I don't know why I like it so much, but they redesigned the trunk. On the back it shows your Elantra badge right here. And a cool way to open the trunk is a little release button inside of the emblem. So all you have to do is press inside and it opens up. And then here you have your 60-40 split in the trunk space. So to pull those seats down, you just pull a little lever and it allows you to pull those seats down over here. Thank you again for checking out the 2019 Elantra. My name is Carlos Garza over here at Visalia Hyundai, so come check out any of our other brands and our vehicles as well.